Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, TikTok activity status option or showing problem. Okay, let's get start. First open your TikTok app and tap on profile icon. Select Thielen option and setting and privacy. Scroll down and see TikTok activity status option not showing problem. Okay, back to home screen. First of all, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok and now check update your TikTok app to the latest version. My TikTok app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and back to home screen. Now long tap your TikTok app, select I button and scroll down, click on force stops. Okay, confirm. Scroll down, select storage, click on clear cache and clear data, delete permanently. Okay, back. Scroll up and click on permission option and first to last tell all permission. First check camera, allow. Okay, back. Contacts, allow, back. And another location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and open your TikTok app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.